Here comes Splashed Out. Here we are at the 20th anniversary of the St. Pete Grand Prix, and we're proud sponsors to have Mr. Kim Green himself, who is the owner of the race, staying on our vessel for the next week. So it's Wednesday, it's setup day. We're bringing in the yacht, and then you can see we are right on the racetrack. So then we've got the Horse Soldier entertainment area. So we have a private dock and we are in the VIP spot. So you should stop by, come join us. If you're going to be at the race, you can get to the dock, have a Horse Soldier bourbon, and have fun with us. Get a chance to look at our yacht. There she is.